Hello, hope you're doing well today. Hopefully I record this video. So what I want to say that the core functionality is done, so we can parse the Excel file and we can generate the PDF files per all those settings we have in the Excel file. So I used those templates that you gave me. Thank you for that. From now on I will start to do the UI side of the project, so I don't think it should take too much days, maybe 2 days, 3 days to join backend and the UI side. But now let me show you quick how it works at this point. So I have right here the project on my development environment. So let me close everything I needed. I have the project, and basically we will have as input that Excel file, which I have it here in documents. I just made another Excel file with some less Sudoku tables, so we can test quick. Basically here is 12 tables that we need to work with, and in the top we will put all kind of templates, so it will generate a correct number of pages, and we'll use correct type of template. So I have just this test Excel file like here. Next we have, for now I'm storing files in some folders, so just some examples from testing. I have a temp folder where I save the completed the images with completed tables with these numbers, and the final output folder will be this one with PDF. From this image files PDF generated. When you will have the UI, you will do everything from UI. As I said, I will give you a mock-up of the UI. You will be able to say me which buttons, on which labels, on any other functionality to add. But so far, let's see how backend works. So I will start the script from my development environment. It will read this Excel file. We will see all in the console output. It will generate the completed tables like images, and then it will generate right away the PDF file, so we will see the final result. So this is the first test, and we have 12 solutions, and we have puzzles per page 1. It will be template 1, and this should be 12 pages. So just let's start it. Can expand the console output, and I will explain everything what's happened. So let's just run. So it's done. So basically it runs very fast. Let me go from top a little. So let me do it bigger. So we have reading the file, we decoding it, we have all data. So we see the puzzles, 12 puzzle per page, so everything decoded correctly. Solutions start on page 17 and so on. So we have the header. So these loggings will go to a separate log file later, so you will have an possibility to look to logs if no issues, no exceptions and so on. So I've been spending a good part of the coding just to fail-safe checks, so everything goes smooth, because it's expected that this file will come correctly with all these numbers correct and all this number of tables correctly formatted per these numbers. But can be situations for any reason it will not fit one with another, and if not these situations not handled correctly can give just errors, and program will throw error out and will not work. But I set a lot of else checks. Okay, this is aside. So next we have some checks here. So for example, if we read this line, so total calculated number of puzzles tables matches Excel header. So it means that it's calculated really how many tables it have, 9 by 9, and it's compared with this number to see if it match. If not match, it will write in the output that something is wrong and will stop, because Excel file is not correctly, has no correct data. This is one example of self-check, and so on. So it's reading problems, and it's reading the same for problems, checking if 12 are here. So this number is really 12. Here is just debug info, so it's just decoding the tables. So this will not be present on your side, just for me. Also, it's another cycle of decoding also those tables, and it's another side decoding. It's some internal stuff, not so important. Here it's starting to look which template to use. So from here we can see that it's using a template file, so it's x1 template, so it's exactly like we have here, puzzles per page. It's template 1. Somewhere in the top I think we have also we have here, so template type 1. It will be explicitly logged which template it's using. Next, what he's doing next, so too far. Basically it's a step to creating images. So it's saying that total pages are 12, and we can see that pages are 12 really. And now it's just start to create some to put all the numbers into images. It's going its way until here, and from this side, after he created the images, he is starting to creating the PDF files, and we can see in export that it's exporting to output folder PDF, and with this name. So we have template encoded names are like template 1 page 1, template 1 page 2, and should be 12 pages, and we really see 12 pages. So let's see what we have in output, just to make a suspense here. So we have images created, you can open those. Let's just analyze a little. So we have template 1 like we expected. Let's see if numbers are correct, all this. So on top it's 1, and it's the headers as well. Header is 1, and so on. So just let's see. So this is header decoded, it's 137. Let's see here, it's 137, and on bottom we have 917. Let's see if really 917, all correct. And it's just example with the problems at the moment, this one, just to make it quicker. It will generate both the solutions and the problems, but here I just commented those lines so we can focus on one side, and just for this demo. And second, it's not generating now the numbers of the pages, so this also will be done. So if we can see it, so for example, problems should start on page 3, basically not on here. So should be like this, number 3, and it should be, by the way, first odd page should be on left or right side. We will clarify, it's not a big problem to do this. So numbers will be there. Now just we focus on how it's completing the tables and how it fits into page and PDF. So this is one. Let's see another page, for example page, let's take 12 maybe. Let's make it smaller. So we have page 12 as well. So it says header is correct, it's 12, and in the end should be a 9, and top so should be a 6. Let's see, last it's 12 number, so it's number 12 on the header, it's 9, it's 6, all correct. Should be all in the same way for every type. And now let's see the PDF files. So PDFs is stored in another folder, is the same, so we just open and it's like a PDF. And like I said, only number of page missing, but it's an easy thing to do. So we have the pages, it's easy one, and 12 is also header correct, everything is correct, PDF is generated. Maybe I will see, maybe we can, and I know that I need to double check. So this is A4 format, but as I noticed it's slightly different from original PDF that you gave me. Even I used this square, this Sudoku table as template the files you gave me. So I'm filling the numbers, then I just put this generated image on A4 format when creating PDF. And I noticed the size here is a little bigger than on those original PDFs that you gave me, but these sizes we can fit very easy by just changing some numbers there, so not an issue as well. We can fit any size we need, and to scale and to resize and so on. I'm just deleting those so we can test with another template. For example, let's say 6. So if we change an Excel 6, it's automatically will change the pages, number of pages, and here it's not changing the start on page. I will need to double check. Maybe when I created this document, something on this formula or it's starting here on 3. All correct should be. Yeah. Okay, I will double check this second part. Okay, the main demo is that we have 12 solutions, puzzles per page 6, and pages should be generated 2 in the same way. Just let me save quick, let me clean and just start it again so we can see the decodings. Well, it's done, so it's quite quick. Let's see from top if we have the correct decoding data. So we have Excel data, 12 puzzles per page 6, total page 2, solutions on page 7 start, and problem start on page 3, and so on. We have the template type 6, all correct. And next we have everything of every type of data, total pages 2. Just remind, you will not see these long numbers, just for me, for debugging. So chunks and so on. Main part is here, so we have generating 2 pages. Page 1, it's for template 6 and so on. It's generating 1 PDF, and second one we can see the template generated, so we can see the A4 document with these completed tables, and also we can see the headers. It's easy 1, let me just expand, easy 2, and so on, 4, 5, 6. It's page 1 and 7, and the second page it's from 7 here to 12 here. And now let's see the PDFs as well. Quick, it's 1. Yeah, so we have a PDF file. I'm opening in just in document so we can see it. Quite good. also. So all works good. Just need to create the UI now and to connect every of this functionality to buttons and another set of checks. Let me just quick run with 12 type of template. So let's change here. We have puzzles per page 12, and change it to 1, and it's okay. 12, and let's run quick. So I deleted all the PDFs and templates and images. Okay, and it's done. Just let's see from the top. So it says you have puzzles 12, puzzles per page 12, total pages 1. Okay, 6. Okay, where is the number? Okay, template type 12, tables extracted 12, comparing, double check, okay. And in the bottom we have total pages 1 page will be generated, and it's really making 1 page PDF. Let's check quick this PDF per template 12, and it's generated. Yeah, as I said, this sizes we can fit easily, very easy, just by changing some numbers. Template itself, starting from this corner, is like you gave me, using exactly the same, and we can see it's working all nicely. All left to do here, just I just commented those lines that setting the number, because I started to do some other stuff and I had need to comment those out, but it works as well, just believe me, with the pages number. And that's all basically. This was what I done so far. So everything works, like I said, maybe again, but I'm starting to make the UI site and will keep you updated. So thank you. Let me know if any questions or any objections or on any stuff. So let's do it until the end. Thank you. Bye.